What's up, fellow coders? Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation on the PetStore REST API assignment for week 13. In this video, I'll demonstrate the steps I took to create the PetStore Maven project, my entity relationship diagram, the JPA settings, the Spring Boot configuration, and finally show how the tables are automatically generated in the PetStore schema. Here is my ERD. We have three main entities: customer, PetStore, and employee. There is a many-to-many relationship between customer and PetStore, a one-to-many relationship from PetStore to employee, and a many-to-one relationship from employee to PetStore. You can see the join table, PetStore customer, in the ERD to handle the many-to-many relationships. Right now I'm in the PetStore schema, and as you can see, there are no tables. We'll watch how Spring Boot automatically creates them. I created a Maven project named PetStore. Then I replaced the generic pom.xml content with the dependencies generated from start.spring.io. Inside the pom.xml, you can see the Spring Boot version, the dependencies for web, JPA, MySQL, Lombok, etc. Lombok helps reduce boilerplate code, providing @data, @equals, and hashcode.exclude, etc. In customer.java, we have an @entity and Lombok's @data. The primary key is annotated with ID and generated value. We have fields such as customer ID, customer email. Additionally, we have a set of PetStore with a @many-to-many mapped by customers, cascade equals cascade type.persist annotation. I've added @equals and hashcode.exclude and @toStringExclude to avoid infinite recursion. PetStore also uses @entity @data. We have an ID, name, and relationship. A set of customers with @many-to-many in the join table definition. Set employees with @one-to-many mapped by PetStore for the one-to-many relationship. Similarly, employee has the ID field in a PetStore field annotated with many-to-one and join column name equals PetStore ID. Here's my main class annotated with @springboot application. The main method calls spring application.run PetStore application.class args, which starts the entire application. Inside application.yaml, I configure the data source properties, including the URL, username, and password for the PetStore schema. Under Spring JPA, I set hibernate.ddl/auto, create, drop, or update, depending on requirements, ensuring the schema tables are generated. Now I'll run the PetStore application. Watch the console to see Hibernate SQL output creating the tables. As you can see, it's creating the customer, employee, PetStore, and PetStore customer tables. Back in DBeaver, I refresh the PetStore schema and the tables are now there: customer, employee, PetStore, and PetStore customer.